Hey guys, welcome back to our repair guys. Thank you for watching and subscribing, it means a lot. In today's video we'll show you guys if your hood doesn't stay open, okay, when you open it and it falls, how to fix that. Super simple, super inexpensive, it will cost you less than 20 bucks in most cases. So you know, that's the beamer that we got from Comuter. Check out the video, it was hitting the phone, we put carbon fiber on the bumper, but we'll be wrapping the whole car soon. And those are the strut shock support for it. So stay with us, we'll show you how to replace those now. Quick update guys, please check out our new channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. That's how we spell it. Quite a few videos coming there, please help us grow it together, it will mean a lot to us. So when you open the hood, if it doesn't stay open, okay, and you have the strut shock support, that's what your problem is guys. Okay, so this one now, okay, right here, we'll start replacing one of them. Both of them will be exactly the same procedure, left or right, doesn't matter. So, super easy procedure, but careful for the little spring not to get in your eyes. You need to get a small screwdriver, okay, and you need to pry that little spring open a little bit and pull the strut out. You have to have a person holding the hood at the same time. The same procedure on the bottom one. Okay, open the spring a little bit and just do it like that. Now let me show you the new strut now. Okay, this is the new strut. You can see the spring is installed on it already. You don't need to remove it or get it loose or anything of that nature. One on the bottom, one on top. So, how you do that now? Okay, you just press it in until it clicks on the joint. Like that. All the way in. One on top now. Okay, and now check it out. Just one replace and it still holds the hood because one of ours was weak, but we'll replace the second one as well. It's always good to replace both of them. So that's how simple something like that could be guys, and it will relate to any car. Most of the new cars have the strut support. So thank you for watching guys, please subscribe and many more videos to come.